Hello, lovely yogi. Welcome to Flow with Shreya. I'm Shreya, and this is your quick morning yoga flow. So if you want to get your body moving this morning, come flow with me. We'll begin standing in the middle of our mats. So take a moment just to find your feet on your mat or on the ground. Maybe shifting side to side until you find a stable space to pause. Take a moment to align your hips over your ankles, your shoulders over your hips. Gently hug the belly button up and in. Not a deep core engagement, but just enough to keep you stable here. Lift up through the inner arches as you press down into all four corners of your feet. The balls of your feet, the heels on each side. Engage your inner thighs. Again, you're finding that strength. Bringing one palm onto your belly, one palm onto your heart. Allow your eyes to soften and just tune into your breath. Noticing the breath traveling in and out. Noticing the sensations of your body moving as you breathe in and out. And gently blink your eyes open. Let your palms come by your sides for a mountain pose. Get strong in that mountain, lifting up through the crown of the head. Gently tuck your chin under, creating length in your spine. Inhale, take your arms up overhead, taking your gaze with you. If you find yourself losing balance, your gaze can always stay low. Breathe in as you exhale, lower into a forward fold. Take a moment here. On your next breath, breathe in, taking your arms with you. Gaze comes up. Exhale, fold forward. Take a couple more rounds like that. Inhaling, reaching, creating space. Exhale, fold, let all the air out. Go at your own pace. Rising up like the sun. Lowering into the fold. One more inhale, rise up, reach up, look up. Exhale, bring the palms by your sides once more. I'll take a moment just to shake everything out. Really wake every part of our body up. Maybe begin by shaking out your right foot. Again, if balance is a challenge, just hold on to a wall or a chair next to you. Take a moment just to shake out the left foot. Maybe alternate between your feet and your legs. Maybe making movements a little bit larger. Don't be afraid to get silly with it. Begin by shaking out the right arm. Maybe take a pause on the legs. Shake out the left arm and hand. Loosen up the wrists here, both together now. Maybe take that shake into your whole body. It's okay, feel it silly. I'm right there with you. Shake out your head, a lot of yes and no. Really just getting the blood moving into all the parts of your body here. Maybe take some hip circles. Or continue shaking if that feels good to you. No better way to wake up and with a smile on your face. So turn the corners of your lips up towards your ears. Take hip circles in the opposite direction. Just be intentional with your movement. Pause, come back to mountain pose, come back to stillness. Feet can be hips width distance apart here, or a little bit wider. Deep breath in through the nose. Exhale, release it through the mouth. Draw your shoulders up as you breathe in. Release them down as you breathe out. Now you get the top of your back. Coming back to that mountain pose. Inhale, sweep the arms up overhead. Exhale, fold and pause here this time. Maybe take your feet a little bit wider. You can always have a generous bend in your knees. If you feel comfortable here, grab opposite elbows or forearms and maybe even sway side to side, shifting your weight slightly forward and slightly back. Again, be intentional and just noticing the sensations in your body here. Release your neck. And notice all the tension just pouring out of the top of your head onto the floor. Fresh new breath coming in through the nose, out through the nose. Clench your palms as you pause and center. Shift your weight slightly forward. Inhale, lift up halfway, palms can come to shins, thighs, or fingertips can stay on the mat. Deep breaths in and out here. Hug your belly button up and in. Open up your chest. Exhale and fold. Inhale, lift up halfway. Exhale and fold. Inhale, lift up halfway. Exhale, fold once more. As you exhale, lunge the right leg back. Knee comes onto the mat. Inhale the arms up, low lunge. And really just creating space, sending the shoulders back. Breathing in. Exhale, plant the palms down. Shift the hips back to your half splits. Breathe in and out here. You can always use blocks here if you need to bring the floor a little bit closer to you. Point the toes towards your nose. Inhale, shifting forward, coming back to that low lunge. Lift the back knee, exhale as you step forward. With your next exhale, step the left leg back. Knee comes down. Inhale the arms up. Breathe into your open heart. Exhale, palms come down. Shift the hips back. Breathing here in your half splits. And the right toes up towards your nose. Really feeling that stretch in the back of the right leg. Inhale, walk the palms forward. And tuck the back toes under, lift the knee. Exhale, step forward. And this time bringing your feet about hips width distance apart. Toes pointing forward. Gentle bend in the knees. Inhale as you lift up into your chair pose. Really firing up the quads, lower body. Finding stability, finding your breath, finding your core. So you can find balance throughout your day and strength throughout your day. Exhale, release, fold forward. Inhale, lift up halfway. Exhale, plant the palms, step back to your plank pose. You can always lower onto your knees here. Exhale as you lower down halfway or all the way. Inhale, baby cobra or upward dog. Exhale, tuck the toes under. Downward facing dog. Take a moment here just to pedal out your feet. Maybe continue nodding your head, shaking it out. Releasing any tension. Spread your fingertips wide. Inhale into your high heels. Exhale, lower the heels. You never have to touch the mat. Inhale the right leg up. Exhale, shift forward, bring your knee towards your nose. Inhale the right leg up. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale the right leg up one more time. Knee comes towards your nose. Inhale the right leg up. This time, step it forward. Inhale into your high crescent lunge. Breathe Breathe here. Again, opening the heart, sending the shoulders back. Breathing back bend. Exhale. Plant the palms, step back. Vinyasa or not. Meet me back in your downward facing dog. Really just getting the heart pumping here this morning. Inhale the left leg up. Exhale, shift forward, knee to nose. Inhale the leg up. Exhale, crunch it in. One more inhale. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale the left leg up. Exhale, step it forward. Inhale into your high crescent lunge. Find your breath. Exhale, plant the palms this time, engaging your core, step forward. Bend the knees, sink the hips low. Inhale back into your chair pose. Exhale, come back to mountain pose. Take a moment here just to find your breath again. Inhale the arms up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, lift up halfway. Exhale, plant the palms, step back. Find your vinyasa. Meet me in downward facing dog. Again, find your breath. Inhale the right leg up. Exhale, step it forward. Find your crescent lunge once more. Exhale, open up wide to your side, warrior two. Shift your legs and adjust as you need to. Exhale, right forearm to right thigh. Sweep the left arm up and over, side angle pose. Exhale, frame the right foot. Step back, vinyasa or not. Meet me in downward facing dog. Inhale, the left toes up. Exhale, step forward. High crescent lunge. Exhale, open up into your warrior two. Find your side angle pose, left forearm to left thigh. Breathe into the right side of your body. Exhale, plant the palms. Step back, find your vinyasa. Meet me in downward facing dog. I said it was morning yoga, not gentle morning yoga. You're really just getting your blood pumping, energy flowing. Exhale, bend the knees. Bring the big toes together. Take the knees wide. Find your child's pose. Coming back to your breath here. Exhale, bring your knees back in towards each other. Lift your torso, coming into a tall kneel. Find just one more back bend here with your palms on your back for support. Tuck your toes under if you need a little bit more stability. And then press your hips forward as you lift your chest high. Exhale, lower your hips onto your heels, keeping your toes tucked under here just for a stretch in the bottoms of your feet. And with your next breath, make your way over onto your back for Shavasana. Try not to skip this because this is going to be really important since we really got our heart rates up, got our bodies moving. Just to come back to neutral, come back to baseline. As you make your way into your Shavasana, take a deep breath in through the nose, release it through the mouth. find some peace. Stay here as long as you need to. And when you're ready, bring your awareness back into your space. Find some gentle movement. And take your time meeting me in a seat. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. If you did enjoy that flow, please be sure to share it so other people can find it too. If you share it on social media, be sure to tag me at Flow with Shreya. If you're interested in what I'm wearing, the mat I was practicing on, or any props we've used, be sure to check the link in the description bar below. For more Vinyasa yoga, check out this playlist right here. You'll also find relaxing yin, prenatal, and postnatal yoga on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for joining me. Namaste.